channel, Cooking with Love with Mary. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my baked turkey leg. And I usually bake them and I make sandwiches out of it. So let me get started here. Okay, and I got my turkey leg already washed and patted dry. And let me get some gloves on. My hands already been washed, so let me put my gloves on and get started. This is going to be a simple, really quick recipe. I start off with some parchment paper. Well, first I start off with me some aluminum foil. Make sure you get a big, long piece, enough to put your turkey leg in. Okay. Now, let me get some parchment paper. So, okay. Got my parchment paper here. And the only thing you're going to need is 5 tablespoons of butter. And make sure it's at room temperature. Okay, I got my smoked turkey leg here. It's already washed and patted dry. And I'm going to just start putting my butter around it. Just put your butter just like that, all over it. Put your little up on the skin. And just pick it up, like that. And just put it all over. Like that. And come on this side and put some under the skin. Just pull your skin back. And put it up on the skin. Okay. Put some up under here. And then rub the skin down with your littlest butter. It's according to your turkey leg. It's according to how much butter you use, according to what size your turkey leg is. Cause I think this one might just take four tablespoons. Okay. Now I guess that's all rubbed in. Mine just only took 4 tablespoons. So what you're gonna do now is position it like that, and you're gonna let me get some of this butter off my hand here. Okay. Now, you just get it and from your corners, let's see. See how you take your corners like that. You just fold it down over it like that. Come over to this side and take that corner and bring it up. Like that. You don't need no water or nothing in it. Okay, and then you do the same thing with the foil. Let me turn it this way. And then just take the foil and do that. Bring this up and around. Just grab the foil and just do it like that. And then you take your baking sheet here, glass, or whatever container you have that you can use in your oven. Place it in here. And it's gonna cook at 350 for 2 hours and 25 minutes. Plus, I usually do 20 extra minutes. So, I'm gonna put this in the oven I'm gonna put this in the oven, and when I get back, it's gonna be done. I'm gonna let it cool down, and then I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna debone it, and then I'm gonna make a sandwich and show you how I make my sandwich out of it. Okay, I'm back with my finished product. So I got my turkey legs out the oven, and I got my gloves on, and I let it rest for a minute. So I want to show you my finished product. Look at there. I want you to see that. Look at that. Steam coming from it, and it's tender. Look at that. Okay. So, I don't know. I'm not going to be able to eat that, but I'm going to take a fork, and I'm going to go into it. I'm going to take a fork and go into it. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Look how tender that is. Oh, let me blow it. Ooh. Mmm. It is so tender. That is my smoked turkey. Now you can make sandwiches with it. You can have it along with vegetables or whatever. But it is delicious. So I'm gonna let you get a good look at that. So, okay. If you like the recipe, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and tell all your friends about it. Until next time, bon appetit.